Hey everybody, welcome to the Altstudio classroom. Today we will talk about animals. But before we start, let's do my favorite warm-up. Prepare your fingers. Let's start. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a worm, crawl, crawl, crawl. Two fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a rabbit, jump, jump, jump. Three fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a butterfly, fly, fly, fly. Four fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a cat, meow, meow, meow. Good job. So now let's talk about farm animals. Ready, steady, go. So imagine that we are on the farm. Animal number one is, listen, it's a cow. It's a black and white cow. Cow is a big animal. Cow lives on the farm and cow gives milk. Do you drink milk? I like to drink milk. And the next animal is, listen, it's a goat. Look, a goat. A goat has two horns. Animal number three is a horse. Horse lives on the farm and the horse can run really fast. Oh, look, there is a brown horse, a white horse, and a gray horse. I like the brown horse. And what horse do you like? Horse is my favorite animal on the farm. Do you remember the song, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. What does the horse say? Oink, oink? No. Meow, meow? No. Neigh, neigh? Yes, the horse goes neigh, neigh. Horse. Who else lives on the farm? Pigs, of course. Look, it's a pig. Pigs are small and fat animals. Pigs are pink. It's a pig. Oh, listen. Listen. These are the birds. Birds live on the farm. Birds can fly. And now, who do you see? It's a duck. Duck. Ducks live on the farm. Ducks are birds too. Baby ducks are called ducklings. Ducklings are so cute and small. Look. How many ducks do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks. This is a chicken. Chickens live on the farm. Chickens lay eggs. White eggs. Eggs are good for you. I eat eggs for breakfast. Do you like to eat eggs? Okay, say chicken. Chicken. Oh, listen, who do you hear? I hear a sheep. Look, it's a white sheep. Sheep lives on the farm. Sheep likes to eat grass. Sheep is very, very soft and it looks like a cloud. A white cloud in the sky. Rabbits live on the farm. Rabbits have 2 long ears and they like to eat carrots. Oh, My rabbit is very hungry. Let's feed it with the carrots. 1 carrot, 2 carrots, 3 carrots, 4 carrots, 5 carrots, 6 carrots, 6 orange carrots for our rabbit. What other animals usually live on the farm? Cats and dogs, of course. Cats and dogs. I like cats more. Who do you like? Say, I like. Great. All right. And now let's see if you remember what you've learned. Repeat after me. Cow. Cow. Goat. Goat. Horse. Horse. Pig. Pig. Birds. Birds. Duck. Duck. Chicken. Chicken. Sheep. Sheep. Rabbit. Rabbit. Cat. Cat. Dog. Dog. Excellent! And now let's go on. Which of these is a farm animal? A kangaroo? A pig? Or a panda? Of course it's a pig. It's a pink pig. Pig lives on the farm. The next one. What animal gives milk? A horse? A cow? Or a rabbit? A cow. A cow gives milk. So today we learned the farm animals. Did you like it? Say, I like it very much. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.